Hello, my name is Matthew Green and this is Mini Project 2 for Info 4320 Rapid Prototyping and Physical Computing at Cornell University. My breadboard number is 18 and I'll begin by showcasing this project by opening the Arduino environment as well as the serial port terminal. The first temperature that I'll key in to turn on or off the fan is 12 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll begin by inputting that on the Morse code module, which is my button. So that's 1. As you can see on the terminal, the current temperature is 12 and the fan did not turn on because the temperature entered is below our value of 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The next one to try is 45. Again, our fan did not turn on because the current temperature entered is 45, which is below 70. Our third value to try is 67. Again, same result. Fourth value is 78. And as you could see, the value actually worked. The fan ran for 10 seconds and you can verify that by the sound. Finally, our last value is 90. There you have it. The input taken in by the button is converted to Morse code, which is then converted to a temperature value, which then turns on or off the motor for 2 seconds. Thank you.